Is it? What are they doing?
Shiny, there's no contest. We're just having fun.
But you were yelling, Pteranodon, like you wanted to be the best.
Well, I do want to do my best, but I don't want to have a contest.
Look at that.
Mr. Q and I
What color is he?
love watching each other's flying tricks. You know,
He's a pterodon?
Learn from each other. Now, let's play nice.
He's a green pterodon.
Okay.
I have an idea. Why don't the two dads take us all on a flight over the canyon?
Dinosaur train.
Ready for me to carry you, buddy?
Okay, but
What is it, son?
I was wondering if maybe I could fly with Mr. Q, just to see what it's like to fly like a Quetzalcoatlus.
Why, sure, buddy.
Coatlus?
It's okay with your dad.
I've been having problems saying that name.
With me. Well, you bet. Go ahead. Here we go. Ready, set, Well, I guess it's time to head back to Pteranodon Terrace.
It's dinner. I can't wait for some delicious fish. Oh, yeah.
I think that's the best cartoon.
Quincy.
I mean, I'm sure it's delicious, but